I, did not expect this. I've had a lot of contractors here, done a lot of work on the house, and this has been the best experience out of everything I've had done in my home.
When a homeowner says that we're the best contractor they've ever worked with, it's not luck. It's a result of a proven process. Now, I want you to hear her full story and pay attention to the details because this is what sets us apart.
What was the most important thing that you decided on when choosing a roofing company?
I don't know that there was just one. There was a whole list because I'm a researcher, so I had to do my due diligence, had to understand the shingle, the company that I was going on with, their reputation, their experience. So there was a whole lot of reasons, but one of the things that was important to me was other people's experiences. So knowing that 3 of my neighbors have used Fraser Roofing was definitely a big part of the deciding factor.
And how was our communication and professionalism of our team?
Absolutely amazing. I, as a researcher, have questions. And so I would text Luke, I would call Luke, Luke would come by and say, let me look at that so that he could answer my question even better. It was amazing from start to finish.
And what did you think about the crew that worked on your home? Were they clean and respectful?
For me, it was important that they cleaned up after themselves. There was nothing for me to do afterwards, which is not the norm that I see a lot of contractors doing. There's always something. You guys, it was immaculate. It was like you were never here.
Other than the amazing new roof.
Yeah, and gutters.
And gutters.
Now that the project is complete, what is your favorite thing about your new roof and gutters?
What it did for the curb appeal. I did not expect such a dramatic difference for the look of the house, but when I pulled up after it was done, I was just blown away.
Would you feel confident in recommending Fraser Roofing to a friend, neighbor, or family member?
Not only would I feel confident, I've already done it. So I have 2 friends that are calling Luke for quotes because they did such an amazing job.
So we've got 2 thumbs up here.
4.
Okay.
Okay, is there one last thing. Is there anything you'd like to add about your experience?
So I've said Luke a million times and what a great job he did, but so did John. The entire crew was absolutely amazing.
That's the kind of service we strive to deliver for every homeowner. If you're looking for a contractor who truly cares, we'd love to talk.